Alright, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a freaking awesome day. Sorry about the late live stream. We are back, though. We got the new mic. We got most of the stuff set up right now, which is freaking nuts. We got the LED light right over here. So, lots of cool stuff that's coming on. It's 8:27 a.m. right now, so we got a few stuff that we want to look at. I want to change my little video display like this. Oops. There we go. That's better. No, that's not. Alright, like that. Alright, so hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome day. I just woke up literally like 30 minutes ago. Kid you not. Like, my alarm did not wake me up. I went to sleep like at 1 a.m. last night because I was trying to finish up with some work. And it just, it is what it is, I can't do anything about it, whenever I'm freaking tired, I just sleep over the alarm. But anyways, hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome day. What I want to discuss today, so it's 8:28 a.m. So we have about a couple of hours until, like 2 minutes until the open of stock. So I want to get ready real quick on everything that I have set up right over here. So we got that. Awesome. All right, cool. Alright, cool beans. Leave a like if you guys liked this little live stream. Alright, so we had about 41 seconds into the New York Open. Alright, so we're really bullish. Like, we have about we had a short squeeze from yesterday. Literally, it did not like do anything. Short squeeze came all the way down. 26 seconds into the New York Open, and we came all the way down, then we slowly consolidated all the way up. The liquid 50 is holding the buy zone, which is something significant. Okay, so today we're definitely looking for longs, looking for that continuation of that pullback we saw yesterday and on Tuesday, I believe, Wednesday, from that big of a drop. So our levels are going to be right over here. Looks like it's going down on the market open. Market's opened right now. It's going down. Let's see what we do here. We got some coffee right over here too. Oh, just delicious, man. I love coffee. All right. Now we wait. So yeah. Hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome day. I'm just setting up my new office right now, so it's pretty exciting. I love my setup. Like, it's freaking nuts. Like, it's everything I've dreamed of. It's exactly like kind of my dream setup that I've always wanted to. So it's awesome. You know, I got one more screen coming in on tomorrow. Tomorrow. I got my new camera coming in, which is gonna be nuts. I can't wait for that camera. It's a Canyon. I believe it's like an X60. Fact check me on that. I completely forgot the camera. But yeah, I'm really excited. Looks like we're pulling back up. So right over here we have bearish divergence. So obviously that's why market is falling right now, because the sentiment of the sellers are kind of bearish, and we're not seeing that much volatility, to be honest. It is something that I'm not like. It's actually a really not really volatile market open. Maybe we'll see that volatility again. But we'll see. Looks like we're going to a 200 EMA. So, yeah, we'll see about this. Tell me if you guys can hear the music. I don't know if you guys can hear the music. It's a new setup. Okay, you guys can't even hear the music yet. Looks like we're falling down hard. What's this speaker? Speaker. That's better. I got a new like speaker, like a really good speaker set, so alright, so looking at stocks, Nikola, looks like we're about green. SPI, we are literally showing all the way down. I'll look at Tesla. Tesla is tech stocks, which is a continuation. Tesla is up green right now in the 1 minute. Let's look at Apple. They're all green as well. That's your market. WWR is kind of a low cap stock. WWR, Apple, AL, American Airlines, which I don't. Bad stock. Situation of the upside. Alright, so alright, sorry about that, guys. Watching. Alright. Pull back up. It's not a good buy in my opinion, because those 50 is falling. Plus there's fair divergence, so it's not a good buy at all. Making a lower high right here. I mean, not low. Let's see what we do here. be honest, stocks don't really care if there's bear divergence. Alright, such an asset. So we'll see if we do see a continuation. As Darius really wanted to go. General Electric, parts. No, there's nothing insignificant in stocks today. Parts is up literally 1,000%. Holy jeez. From what? That is insane. More than 1,000%. Parts, what should be doing? What kind of steroids are you taking? From like $1 to $2. You know, actually from $1 to like $2.86. So it's a massive change. That's probably because of because of like a catalyst. Starbucks were up over 77%, which is nuts. Literally nuts. What's up, Korean Steve? But anyways, hope you guys are having a freaking awesome day. I think we're gonna see a continuation to the downside. And Nasdaq today, and then probably during noon we're probably gonna see a upward volatility to the upside. Let's see. Donkey Kong. I traded it. I traded Donkey Kong. It's like a stock. It's not really called Donkey Kong. It's called DraftKings, but I call it Donkey Kong. Let me show you guys real quick. Oops. Alright. But I traded this DraftKings. So I call it Donkey Kong, but I traded that a couple years ago. Not a couple years ago, a couple months ago. A lot of people are investing into that just because it's correlated to or involved with the NFL. Taco Bell. We ran up Neo. Parts were literally up like freaking 1,000%, but we're going short to the downside, so we're not holding these levels, which means we're probably going to see some choppy market today on stocks. It's really tough to be here. 5 minutes, we're overbought. We're overbought. We're holding the 50 unit in the 5 minutes, but that's not really significant. Even though it's the 50 unit. I think we're going to see a continuation. So I think this is a fake out on the 1 minute. So what we're going to do is we're probably going to go through the lower time frames. So I'm gonna go to the 2 minute and then 4 minute. Alright, show them to the 3 minute. Just to see these patterns. We will see anything. We're off the 50 on 2 minute. On 3 minute we are. 5 minute. I wanna go to 4 minute. Nothing really significant here. I think the 5 minutes are best bet. It's trying to hold the 21 EMA. So I'm expecting kind of a green day on stocks today, just because we saw this massive pullback the last couple of days. Not a massive, but I'll say like a pretty massive pullback compared to literally like what it's been doing the last couple of days and months. So I do expect a continuation because I don't see this being a fake out for a bear market. I could be wrong at the same time, but I just don't think so. Like we broke through all of the previous higher lows and lower highs in that kind of like a bear sentiment market. We broke all the way up and we are pulling back right now. So we look at like the daily. Let me show you guys real quick. So we look at the daily chart right over here. So we saw like a pullback wake ready here. So it's technically making a lower high ready here. But I think it's just a pullback, a small pullback, just because, you know, this massive of a runner, we broke through all his previous lower highs over here, all his previous lows, like lower highs here. So I don't think this is like kind of like a fake up to a bear market. So I think we are going to see a green dip today on stocks. I think I'm entering on a smaller, something other than the 1 minute, because I don't like the 1 minute, to be quite honest with you guys, on how price action is doing. I like the 5 minute. There's no one's risk reward on that. I like the 3 minute. I'm entering on a 3 minute. I'm not entered yet. We definitely have enough risk reward to the pivot. Okay, now I entered. And so how I'll manage this position is if we start seeing some bearish sentiment, I'm just closing partial risks and just managing it, you know. That's all you could do. Thank you for telling me. Music loud AF. Music loud AF. It's hard to hear you. Alright, that should be better. Tell me if that is better. Thank you for telling me. Appreciate it. My last stream, no one told me that I was muted. Alright, thank you for telling me. Music loud AF. Alright, tell me if that is better. Let me know if that is better, guys. Oh, oops. Alright. Is that better, guys? This is better. Alright, is that better? Y'all gotta tell me. Alright, it's perfect. Alright, amazing. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you for telling me. Literally, like, the last couple of streams, no one told me anything. Literally, I was muted for like 2 hours, and I was talking to a bunch of people, and I was like, you know, answering their questions. I was telling them stories, and no one even freaking noticed. I was like, bro, are you kidding me? It's like 20 viewers, and I mean, like 15 viewers, and no one noticed. Jesus. Alright, so we're coming back up now. 15 minute, we look bullish. I like how the 15 minute candle is about to close in 11 seconds. You guys just saw me that basically the buyers are trying to take control right now on the 15 minutes, so I definitely like that and what we're doing right there. Looks like we're coming back up. Risk to reward is about 1R. Looks like we're pulling back up. Let's go, baby. Alright, so we're about alright, we'll see. I'm closing about 0.3 or 0.4 R. I want to say a continuation of this momentum. If I'm not seeing that, then it's kind of hard to just lock my stop at break even without getting stopped out, most likely. Oh, we're trying to get faked out right here. So, we're trusting the stop. We're trusting everything. If I get stopped out, it is what it is. On the woman, I want to look at the woman and what we're doing here. I wouldn't try, I guess, like taking partial profits. Even though liquid 50, I just don't like how it's falling like that, for sure. I do think this is a fake out, but I definitely have to take this into consideration. We already kind of made an upshift, and now a downshift. We're not out to the downshift yet, so that's something to look for. So we'll see. I may just take half risk here at this level. If we see, I mean, the only reason I would take half risk is if we're having a lot of momentum to the downside. So I mean, like right over here, I'll take about half off. I'll take about half off right there. If we see a continuation with that momentum, I'll take about half off, which I'm fine with. Three-minute. We're coming back up. 1 minute, we're trying to pull back up right over here. So, she's being patient, guys. But you guys have to kind of react to what the market is telling you. For me, I'm like, okay, so what should I do if that happens? What should I do if that happens? What should I do if that happens? Am I taking consideration of these levels? Am I taking consideration of these confluences of these, you know, on probabilities right over here? So, it's all about confluence, guys, for sure. Actually, I entered about here. Halfway in this candle. So we just have to be patient. Oh crap. I just spilled coffee. Gosh dang it. It's my new chair too. Guys, I'll be right back. I mean, I dang it. Ugh. Ooh. Alright, so... crap. Alright, so sorry about that, guys. Anyway, so I think with the 3 minute, you're going to see more choppy price action because the 3 minute liquid 50 to the momentum, it takes a while. More of a longer while than the 1 minute, of course, because it's a 3 minute. So, looking at the 1 minute, liquid 50 is starting to rise, which I'm telling you guys, that's a fake out. They're trying to fake you out. Like, it was trying to fake you out to the short side. That's why I saw that, and I saw that as an opportunity. So it's all about just looking at these levels and like looking at the bigger picture. So we're being patient with this. We'll see. I mean, I will only take half risk if I'm seeing a continuation to the downside, like with momentum. But other than that, I will trust my stop. Right, so I'm managing my stop loss right there. And yeah, I'm ready to close half. So with my system, I've kind of had it like, this is what it's so cool about trading. Like I love trading, but with my system, I kind of had a transition from like with Ace effects, you have a good win rate, and you have a you don't have like really like streaks of losses with the Ace effect system. Now with my system, you do have streaks of losses, but you have way bigger winners because of the profit factor. And I think I'm gonna close half right here. We'll see. I want to see how this 1 minute candle closes, which is in 14 seconds. Looks like we're falling down. Let's see. Just trusting the stop. I wasn't able to close half because I want to just make sure if the 1 minute candle closes above that. So we'll see. But I'm trusting my system, trusting the stop. That's all you can do. And of course, sometimes you're gonna be wrong in trading. That's just trading. You're gonna do trading. There's gonna be losses. It's the art of the craft. But like what I was saying is with the system, there's gonna be strings of losses in my system. That's why I'm trying to re-involve and like go in every detail to avoid that. But my risk reward, I mean, like the risk reward is pretty good, and the win rate, obviously, like it's pretty good win rate. But with that win rate, if you do get into a loss, that loss will most likely be in a streak of a loss. And the reason why it's not kind of like an emotional, like it's not emotional from those streaks. Like FOMO, like you want to jump in, make that money back. It's more of like, I guess, like how the market happens to fake you out. According to my system, that's what I've been figuring out. And it's cool. So I'm still re-involving with that system, trying to see what we can do to make it better. So we'll see what we do. But like I was saying, like I had to kind of rearrange my mind shift, because with the ASFX systems, I didn't have to worry about that. But with this system, I do have to worry about it. So it's kind of like two different trading styles, and as you become more of an experienced trader, you get to kind of shift between different systems and shift your mindset between different systems, which is so freaking cool. It's like a mind shift. So it's literally cool. So looks like if this closes bearish engulfing, it's probably gonna go down. So we'll see here. We're down about 0.45%. Actually 0.43%. But anyway, so what I was saying is I kind of have to like shift my mindset and shift how I trade, like just how my trading routine is at between different systems, because systems are going to be different. Like I know of a fellow trader who trades Nick Sean's kind of like his system, and he has systems like a 50% win rate with an average risk reward of 1R, and so he's gonna lose 50% of the time. But at the end of the day, his average win to average loss is gonna be much bigger, so his profit factor is gonna be around close to 2. So even though he loses, he's still gonna be profitable month to month, according to statistics. So that's something to definitely like keep an eye on. Looks like we're going back up. I completely forgot about this. Really sorry about this, guys. Crap, I just completely forgot. We have a call. I have a call with the coaches in about like what, 5 minutes? I completely forgot about that. It wasn't appearing in my calendar, so that's why. Looks like we're pulling back up. Let's go, baby. Like I said, it's a fake out. It's trying to fake you out, and I'm like, no, sir. We're not gonna get faked out today. Market, you owe me some favors. Some big cash right over here. Look at that. Look at that. Price action is falling. It's making higher lows. Liquid 50 is right, starting to rise again. Let's go, baby. Look, we're back into profit. That's how you play the game, guys. Even though it's close to stopping you out, you gotta respect the stop loss. You gotta respect the rules in place. You cannot be emotional about it. That's why I'm chilling. Like I chill whenever I lose money because I could always find out a re-entry. Alright, so let me send this real quick. We're back in profit, baby. Let's go. And we're gonna say continuation of these upside. I'm gonna lock my stop on break even for you guys as soon as I can. About 0.3 to 0.4 R. Alright, cool. Cool beans, cool beans, cool beans, cool beans. Alright, so let me open this up. Oh, oops. What happened? What did I do? We're going up, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, give me some money. Give me some money for the New York Open. Let's go. Give me some continuation to the upside. Give me some money, money, money. Let's go, baby. Trying to reject up the high. Which it's standard. Liquid 50 is still in the sell zone. It's kind of falling right over here. So we're about 0.1 R. I'm trying to see that continuation to the upside so I can lock myself at break even. With locking myself at break even, I always have to be a little bit careful with that, just because it's you have to lock yourself at break even at a certain level at a certain time when the momentum is high. Because if you don't, then the percentages of you getting stopped out at break even are probably like 60%, 50-60%. Just looking at like the stats, I'm so freaking tired. But looking at the stats, that's what I've been shown. Yeah, it's struggling to go up in that level, so we're not seeing a continuation, which is quite unfortunate. It's not something that I really like. So, well, I mean, it's taking its time for sure. 3-minute liquid 50. It's still in the buy zone, so it's struggling. It may just take some time. It's like rejected and like right over here. So I have a call in about 39 minutes. So I'm gonna have to end the stream. Unfortunately, guys, I'm so sorry. If I'd known that I had this live call. Actually, maybe I'll just basically cut this off and just leave this screen for you guys to see how the trade turns out. But at the same time, I don't think I could do that because the volume's gonna be up for the call, like the volume. So it's quite unfortunate. Sorry about that, guys. It's 8:59, so I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, I'll definitely update you guys on the Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. With my stats, I think this is around a 65% winner. Oh, can we lock our stop at break even before I go? Come on. Can we do that? No, we can't. Come on, babe. Come on, baby. Oh, come on, let's go. Come on, give me about 0.25 R more. Let's go. Let's go. Can we lock ourselves a break even before the live ends? Oh, come on. Let's go. Hey, let's go, baby. We're breaking out. like I said, guys, look at that breakout. Let's go. Can we get a like for that? We're locking our stop, our break even. It's risk free. Let's go, baby. We're gonna see a continuation to the upside. Let's go. Let's go, baby. First win today. Let's go. Well, not a win, but it's risk free. We're not risking a single dime anymore on this trade. Now we're a risk manager. We have to risk manage this trade. We're up literally about almost half an hour on this trade. Look at that, guys. Look at that continuation. Look at that continuation. Like I said, I'm just so excited because it's this system that I trade every single freaking day. I backtest tremendously on it, and this is literally my baby. Like, I know exactly what's going on every inch of the corner. It's literally, once you start backtesting your system and being continuously on that, you're going to be unstoppable because you know exactly what's going to happen, and you're going to anticipate what's going to happen. You can react properly. So it's all about that, guys. It's like, I'm so passionate about trading because you really have to put on the proper work into it. There's no easy way out in trading. But anyways, hopefully you guys have a freaking awesome day. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything like that. Message me on Instagram. I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna have to hop on to the call right now. But again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys Monday, 5 a.m. CST. I might do like a little live stream this weekend for like a markup session. So if I do that, stay tuned. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I mean on Monday, 5 a.m. CST. And yeah, let's do this, baby. Let's go. Thank you for coming in, guys. Love you guys. See you later.